Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about coffee. I'm going to show you how I make my iced coffee and what I use coffee for within my beauty routine. I use it to tan my face because self-tanner just doesn't agree with my skin. I use it as a body scrub, I use it as a deodorizer, and I also drink it and love it. So, let's jump into it. For this, you'll need some coffee, milk or sweetener of your choice, or none if you prefer none, a mason jar, a cover, and a way to brew your coffee. So I use this Breville Cafe Aroma. I absolutely love it. It's one of the best investments I've ever made, but you can use absolutely anything. French press, an AeroPress, any way to brew your coffee. I'm just gonna measure out my coffee and put it in my little coffee apparatus here. I get the Guatemalan beans from Java Blend. They're local, they're delicious, and they're very affordable. It's my favorite coffee by far. And just use this little spoon to measure out my coffee. I got this with my coffee machine. You can use anything you want. While I'm waiting for that to finish heating up, I'll just grab some ice from the freezer. You can use as much ice as you want. Next, I'm gonna grab my coconut for coffee. I love this stuff. I find it tastes the best and works the best for me out of the dairy-free milks I've tried. If you like getting shots in your iced coffee or anything like that, a flavored coconut milk or milk in general will kind of give you that effect. How much or little you put is totally up to you. Everyone likes their coffee a little different. I'm gonna take my coffee, I'm gonna pour it in, and this is very hot, steamy coffee. I'm just gonna take that. It's important that you shake the coffee as soon as you add it so that it gets cold quick without melting the ice. I will add a straw to this just because I like it, and you can also add more ice if you wish. After I'm done that, I will grab a plate and I'll remove my coffee grinds from my coffee machine. Once you've removed your coffee grounds from the machine, they should look something like this. So with this, I will add a spoonful of coconut oil to it. You don't have to, you can just use these grinds, and you can take them in the shower with you and use them as a body scrub. You can also add some essential oils if you want to change the scent, but I really love just the smell of coffee. I find it smells so good, and in the morning, it's really awakening. For my self-tanner, I'm going to brew a fresh cup of coffee. You definitely don't need to use a machine for this. You can just use a filter and some coffee grounds and add some hot water and leave it in a bowl for as long as you like. The darker the roast of coffee, the more olive I find your tan becomes. I will keep my coffee in a jar in the fridge. I really find this helps, especially in the morning, with depuffing my face. So this is just gonna give you the nicest little glow. It's full of antioxidants, it's detoxifying, it's plumping, it's anti-aging, and the more you keep it in the fridge, the longer it will last. Once your coffee is cool, you can go ahead and dip a cotton round in it, and I will just kind of press out some of the coffee. Then you can take that cotton round, just apply the coffee to your skin. So usually I use this for my face. You can do this method every single day. You might feel a little bit of tightening on your face, but that is normal and it's actually a good thing. It's not necessarily bad. I will apply this all over my face, apply moisturizer, and then put my makeup on. This will not stain your face. It won't last super long. It is a continual thing, but I really enjoy it. I could have coffee at any time of day. I also use just coffee beans in a little dish on the back of the toilet or anywhere around the house. They're very good at deodorizing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something cool today. Let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments down below. Also, let me know if you do try out tanning with coffee. It is one of my favorite things for my face. Don't forget to subscribe. And I would love to hear from you if it worked for you. Bye!